Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change wallpaper from photo on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, go to display. Okay, tap the display. And display, you can see the wallpaper. Okay, tap the wallpaper. And wallpaper, okay, you can see the photo. Okay, in this tutorial, I will show you how to change the wallpaper from photo. Okay, select photo. Here in photo, now you can select the photo or picture you want to set as a wallpaper. Okay, so I have two photo here. Okay, so I decide to change one of these photos. So for my example, I choose this one. And okay guys, okay, you can slide to the left or to the right. After you set the wallpaper, okay, tap the check on the upper left side on your screen beside the set wallpaper, and the pop-up art show. Now you can set the wallpaper to home screen or lock screen, or you can change into home screen and lock screen. And okay guys, I decide to change into home screen and lock screen. Okay, tap the home screen and lock screen. Okay, set, success. And okay guys, we can view. So that's it. We have successfully changed wallpaper from photo on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.